In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in ClickUp. By database, we mean a clean, structured place to store information as tasks with fields, so you can sort, filter, and view your data the way you need. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and signing in to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. You'll see your sidebar on the left. That's where we'll set everything up. Create a new space and name it based on the kind of database you're building. A space is a top-level container that keeps related work together. Click the option to create a new space from the sidebar. Give it a clear, descriptive name, and choose a color and icon if you like to make it easy to spot. If you're planning to track something formal, keep the name concise, like Client CRM, Inventory, or Content Library. You can also choose privacy and default statuses during setup. Simple statuses like Open, In Progress, and Done work well for most databases and keep things easy to manage. Inside your new space, add a list. A list is where your records actually live, and each task in that list becomes a single record in your database. Name the list to match a category or scope, for example, active clients or Q3 products. Once the list is created, start by adding a few tasks to represent individual items. Then, customize your fields to capture the right details. Use text fields for names or notes, numbers for quantities or budgets, drop-downs for categories or priorities, and dates for deadlines or renewal dates. Think of each custom field as a column in a spreadsheet. This is what turns your list into a real database. Now, switch between different views to use your database efficiently. The list view is great for a spreadsheet-like layout. Board view helps when you want to move items through stages with drag and drop. Table view gives you a dense grid that's perfect for data-heavy work. Calendar view is great for anything time-based. You can change views from the top of your list and see your same data from different angles without duplicating anything. From the View menu, add other views to manage your data the way you prefer. Look for the option to create a new view, pick the type, and then apply filters, sorting, and grouping to highlight what matters. Save those settings, pin your favorite view, and set a default so your team lands on the most useful layout every time. That's it. Your ClickUp database is ready to use and easy to grow as your needs evolve.